snowed. It snowed a lot. For this part of Virginia, it snowed a whole lot. Look at how deep this is. Most of the roads are fine, except mine. Luckily, I have a 10-ton friend who can get me out of here. Hello, Maxwell. Before I forget, let's purge the airlines real quick. Forgot to do that on my pre-trip this morning. Alright, cool. That'll do just fine for that. Whew. Hello, Maxwell. You guys go there. There we go. Alright. 12 messages waiting to be read. Okay, nothing new. Right. So yeah, it snowed quite a lot. My road is a sheet of ice. So I brought Maxwell down here. I hiked up to the, I parked him at an auto store, not far from here. I hiked up there and brought him down. I figure if 10 tons can't handle this, what can? So, got myself moved back in. Thanks in part to Mr. Maxwell here, coming to me instead of the other way around. So I couldn't get a taxi to come down here. That would be kind of mean to the taxi. We're about a minute and a half from being able to move. Cold. It's very cold. If you couldn't tell from the snow on the ground. So I live in Tidewater, Virginia, down in the swampy mess south of Richmond and west of Norfolk. Change off-duty driving. Okay. Alright, Maxwell. Do your thing. Yeah, that's what four-wheel drive can do right there. We're just gonna cruise on out of here at a blistering 5 miles per hour. Boy, oh boy. So, we were slated to go back on duty this morning. Then this happened last night. Quite the blizzard up the East Coast, and we only just got a glancing blow from it, and it still looks like this here. The Richmond got it a little bit worse, and that's where our empty trailer is, so we're gonna head up 95. 95 supposedly moving pretty well right now. The plows have been working pretty hard on that. Hello, tree. I'll miss you too. We're going out this way because this is the least steep exit to my neighborhood. We came in the steep entrance, but mostly because I didn't want to try and go out the steep way. And there's not really anywhere down here for me to turn around unless I do a 3-point turn, which is doable. Not a lot of space right here, huh? This is fun, right? This is fun. We weren't expecting the first major snowstorm, alright, only second or third major snowstorm we've hit this year to be in my hometown. We hardly ever get storms like this. This is like a maybe once or twice a decade we get something like this. Nobody coming from the right, nobody coming from the left. Let's go. Bump, bump, bump. Diff lock off. Yeah, see, this road clear and dry. This is a truck route. This is the main artery in and out of my town. Whew. Our first stop on the way out of here, Domino's, because I'm hungry. Ourselves over here and out of the way. Perfect. That should do. Alright. Food time. Whew, boy, it is breezy out here right now. Very, very breezy indeed. We are approaching Richmond, Virginia. Where are you trying to move left? Going to left lane the whole way into the city? Or is there traffic coming up or what? My scope's showing clear as far as the traffic's concerned, but we'll just hang out in this middle lane. That's my rule for Richmond, is middle lane, 55 miles per hour or traffic speed, whichever's lower. And just sit here all the way through, accelerate, decelerate, do not change lanes through the city of Richmond. Seems to be having a heck of a time maintaining their lanes today. That R&L double on the left lane, he's barely hanging out in the left lane. He's coming across into this one. This guy to my right keeps drifting over. That's brake lights. Freaking out, this road is dry. There's not even ice out here. It's nothing. It's complete nothing. This makes zero sense. Oh well. I really like that Welcome to Richmond sign. That is super nice. Big and fancy. So apparently they've had some issues with people stopping on the interstate here and taking photos of it, which is, you know, not ideal. We had a similar problem in New Mexico last week with the Welcome to New Mexico sign. I don't know that there's a good alternative to the Welcome to Richmond sign if you want to get a photo of that, but I bet there's somewhere to park around here off the freeway where you can just walk to it relatively easily. I mean, surely there must be, right? It's Richmond, there's parking everywhere for cars. Not so much for us. But anyway, yeah, so we're gonna go park up here at the TA for Richmond, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Find out what we're doing to get out of my my home region. What was that? The left blinker and hit your brakes? What? What even was that? What are you doing? Anyway, so we'll find out tomorrow morning how we're getting out of my home. hopefully it's just a matter of going into Tyson and picking up a loaded trailer and taking that somewhere cool. Well, ideally taking that somewhere warm, actually. I've done enough cool for the week. Yeah, that'll be tomorrow. We'll see how that goes. And I will see you all then. My name is Elio Dare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like or subscribe, and of course, come say hi on the Twitters. I am on the Twitters all the time. The Twitters are indeed the best place to get a hold of me. So you can come drop in there, have conversation, see me post stupid stuff, or random like tonight, random tweet thread about different kinds of intersection and how good or bad they are for semi-trucks. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.